Black is beautiful, black is gorgeous, your skin is gold, and you're powerful. So hey loves, this is what my face is looking like right now before we start getting glammed up. And I like to use the Arami Essentials Glow Oil to moisturize my face. It's made of crotchet oil, and I barely use primers because I don't go out. So once I'm done with this whole look, I usually take it off, so there's no need for me using primers. Now this is the Melanie Hills Hollywood highlighter, or like their liquid illuminator, and this is what I used after my moisturizer, and I just love this. It gives my face this inner glow, glow from within, let me put it that way. And so once I'm done with that, I'm going in with my Lady V Beauty foundation, and this is what I love to use because I love it so much. It is just perfect for my skin, conceals all the spots, like you won't even know that there's anything beneath all of this foundation. So this is what I love to do, and I'm using this is a foundation brush from Zaron, and I'm using this as opposed to a beauty blender, because beauty blenders just suck all your foundation and everything. So I'm using this brush to just blend out everything and make everything just seem seamless. Now next thing I'm doing is to highlight my face. This is the ZK Cosmetics Second Skin Concealer in Honey. What I like to do is to highlight the inner corners of my eye and also the outer corners, because what this does, this is a very rare technique actually. What this does is to literally lift your face. You're going to see as I go on, as I progress in this makeup, it literally just lifts your face up. Like it's I really don't know how to explain it, but you're going to see how snatched my face looks by the time I'm done blending out everything. So what you want to do is just highlight, like you want to get like a winged eyeliner, and I don't even know if you can see from here, like look at how it looks snatched already. So I'm just going to keep on blending and blending. Makeup is all about blending. I'm all about blending, so try to blend as much as possible to make everything look seamless and look natural at the same time. So this is what we are looking like right now. This face is snatched. So this is the Black Up foundation, and this is in the shade 18. This is the darkest shade actually, and I love this so much because I struggled for a long time trying to find a good and perfect foundation shade that will be able to contour my skin perfectly, because I am very dark. So I have to use something very, very dark to be able to contour, but this just does the work. This is very easy to work with. I love it so much. I'm doing the other side of my face, and also I take this up to my forehead just to get everywhere snatched. Look at how the face is looking right now. Everything is coming together, you see. So next I am going in with the same shade just to contour my nose, and this is what I'm going to be using the same brush that I used for my concealer, because this is a blending brush and it's also from Zaron. This is also from Zaron. And I talked about my brushes or my brush sets. All the brushes in my brush set are from Zaron. Now after I'm done with this, I go ahead to use my Maybelline powder in cocoa, and I'm just going to use this to contour my nose and just try to blend everything out at the same time. Please don't mind me, I'm just dancing along to the song I listened to while doing this. Anyways, back to what we were doing. I'm just trying to contour my nose, and then next I'm going in with my ZK face definer to highlight and set my concealer, and I'm using the middle shade, which is actually a shade that is supposed to be used for contour, but I love to use that because it doesn't make my face to look ashy, and I always talk about this. I don't like my face looking very whitish, so I love to use a darker shade. And then Now what I'm doing is just applying this gently on the other side of my face and also trying to further contour my nose. Next, I'm still going to be using this, but this is basically how it looks like. It looks dark here, but on my skin it is not so rich. Like it doesn't really come out on my skin because again I am really dark skinned, but I'm just going to be using that. And then also I'm using this shade right here from the Focalio eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to be using that as my blush, and I'm going to apply that on my cheekbones and try to blend that out in circular motions, gently just blending that out till we get it looking seamless. Now I'm using the same shade from the ZKL face definer palette to just further define the contour. Next, this is the browser from Beauty by AD. Look at how defined this thing is. So this is what I'm going to be using to do my brows today. It is, oh god, and it is so natural. It feels like, it doesn't even look like I am applying anything. So I love the fact that it is so natural. I'm so glad I have this as part of my kit. It comes with a spoolie as well. Next, I am just going to be using the ZKL Cosmetics concealer once again to highlight my brow bone and just further define the eyebrows. And we're just going to be blending that out. I have a whole video talking about eyebrows, things that you would not see anywhere, so please check that out. I'll leave the link. So the next thing I want to do is to use this shade from the Focalio palette to just blend into my crease. And then next I'm going to be using the Candid Glow by Younger Beauty in O'Shea. This is the shade O'Shea, and this is what I'm going to be using as my eyeshadow basically. So I'm just using my finger to apply that on my lid, and then this is so pigmented, guys. It is so, oh god, I can't even begin to tell you. I love it. I love how it came out. This was the first time I actually tried it as an eyeshadow. And then I'm just going to use this blending brush to properly blend that out, trying not to spread it everywhere as well. Now I'm going to be using this gel eyeliner to just line the top part of my eyes. I'm not going to be winging it out because I want a very natural look, so not too much or not too serious eyeliner look. We're just going for something natural. And then next I am going to be using my mascara to just apply that on my eyelashes, and I'm going to be doing this on my top and bottom lashes as well. Next I'm going to be using a very dark shade just to smoke the bottom part of my eyes. So I'm just smoking that out, and then now I am blending out everything, blending out my whole face so that everything looks well blended together. So these two lip glosses are from Beauty by AD, and right here I have Glint, which is clear gloss, and this Gleam, which is a pretty pink shade, and I'm just swatching it. This is what the Glint looks like, and this is the Gleam. Oh, such a pretty pink shade, just look at that. So I'm testing this out, and it has a very nice smell, and it is so creamy. Even when I took off my makeup, my lips still felt very, how do I put it, soft, and so much creamy things going on inside that lip gloss though. And this is what it basically just looks like. And then I'm going to be trying out Gleam, which is this pretty pink nude shade, and this is the one I stuck with till the end, and I just tried to blend everything out. And yeah, so this is the final look. Okay, so we are finally done with the makeup. This is the final look, and if you stayed to this point, please give me a very big red heart in the comment section. Let me know that you stayed to this point, and also let me know in the comment section if you love this tutorial, if you love the makeup look, if you love watching this, and also let me know what you think about this video, about the Beauty by 80 products. Let me know if you really love what it looks like. And yeah, so thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for staying to this point. And yes, I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye.